An Omaha group advocating for the rights of renters in the city says it plans to fight accusations that it's practicing law without a license. Reporter Greta Gady's following this story and explains what's happened and also what's next.
For the last few years, Omaha Tenants United has grown in Omaha. It's a group comprised of tenants from various buildings. They tell me their goal is to make sure concerns about maintenance and rent are addressed. That includes sending letters to landlords. So that brings us to now. Seth Cope, the group's leader, shared these letters with me. They're from the Nebraska Commission of Unauthorized Law Practice. They demand the organization stop representing tenants.
The landlord lobby is attempting to scare us into signing away not only OTU as an organization, but the right to every renter in Nebraska to organize and fight back against their landlord.
They're going to fight the allegation. Now, here's what you need to know about the commission. It's made up of attorneys from around the state, and like the name says, they make sure nobody is pretending to be a lawyer and taking people's money. But Tenants United was adamant with me that it doesn't do that. The letters cite landlord-tenant law, but they don't claim to be from a lawyer. I even talked with a legal expert from Creighton's Law School, Kendra Fcher, who told me this doesn't appear to fit the description.
The unauthorized practice of law is very specifically limited not to reach into people's ability to protect themselves when they feel like the law is not being followed by someone to their disadvantage. UPL is meant to actually keep people from being taken advantage of by people who pretend to be lawyers.
A group of people asking someone to follow the law is not practicing without a license. It's also important to note that I contacted the chairperson of this commission, who told me over the phone that he had no comment about what's happening. I got the same response when I tried to ask questions of a member of the commission who, according to court records, represents one of the city's largest landlords. As for what happens next, Cope says after the appeal, if the commission maintains the organization is practicing unauthorized practice of law, they are prepared to take it to the Nebraska Supreme Court. In Omaha, I'm Greta Gady.